Moving forward, last but definitely last not least, we have Erik Novak, the Deputy Secretary General for the conference. Erik is a close personal friend, and he has co-led the conference creation and management processes end to end alongside me. It's truly been a backbone not only for the conference, but for me as well. Erik, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mo. Yes, it's true. Over the last few months, you and I have been through all the ups and downs, all the laughter and tears, and here we are, the culmination of it all. And in fact, I've been with the UN in WIMUN specifically for many more years than just that. Over the last several years, MUN has shaped me into someone that my mother calls a promising young adult. To be determined. She's obviously biased, but MUN has certainly been an indelible part of my life and molded me into who I am today, arguably more than any other project or community I've engaged in. But MUN extends far beyond just impacting my life. We, all of us, we are faced today by increasingly worrisome challenges, and only through continuous, dedicated involvement in public life will we push our world leaders and public opinion in the right direction. And with all this at stake, today's engaged youth, and that's all of us, we are tomorrow's leaders. It is precisely because of this that I am truly blessed to be among you and organizing this event for this coming week. And it's precisely because of this that the laughter and the tears are all worth it in the end. We in this Zoom meeting have the power to shape generations to come, and it is through activities like WIMUN specifically that we build ourselves up to that. I am positive the same will hold true for all of you. In the words of the eternal Optimus Prime, fate rarely calls upon us at a moment of our choosing. Well, fate has called upon us with this unique opportunity for the next few days. And so I leave you with this. Cherish these next few days. Make the most of what's at hand and internalize your learnings. The debates you'll have, the disagreements and discussions, they'll build you to be the change makers this world needs. You might gain friends, knowledge, understanding, or all three. And all of those will certainly follow you throughout your life. And as a result, it'll make our whole civilization better off for it. I cannot wait for what we tackle in the next few days and to learn from all of you. See you in your simulations and good luck.